Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI.
And this turntable by Angel's Horn has really helped me get more and more invested into vinyl records as a hobby. It has a very nice vintage look, but with all the conveniences of modern functions like a very easy to set up Bluetooth connection. I must say I'm a beginner at this, but this turntable looks and feels very well made. I was able to set and balance the tone arm as well as setting up the anti-skate weight myself. So it was a very nice learning experience on how a good turntable works. I like that it has the option to connect to a speaker with RCA cables, but also a very easy Bluetooth connection to any speaker or even my headphones. The quality of the sound is excellent, very crisp, clear sounds, making it very enjoyable to hear. It's very nice to just listen to some vinyl records while having a relaxing drink. Doesn't matter if it's an old record or a newer record, this turntable is the perfect way to sit back and enjoy listening to my favorite music.
And that is my point of view.